What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you guys. You are the best. Welcome to my channel, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. I hope you stick around. Click that like and subscribe button if you're not already a member of our great, growing gardening family, okay? Okay! So, today I'm doing a video inspired by Miss Cheryl Talley Moss and the Cheryl Talley Moss Organic Food Forest. Okay, you guys? Okay! Hi, Miss Cheryl. I love you. You are such an inspiration to me, and I know hundreds and thousands of other people love watching you. I know I watch you pretty much every day. I follow you. I'm a stalker. Sorry. I love you. But today I'm going to be planting zinnias. Okay? And this was inspired by Miss Cheryl Talley Moss, you guys. I thought, well, I didn't say I thought. I love planting flowers, but when I think about gardening, I'm thinking about tomatoes, peppers, corn, stuff like that. I never realized, hey, throw some flowers in there, give it some color, make it look pretty, and also attract some bees to help with pollination. Give them some life, give them some pollen, give them a reason to visit your garden. Yes, you guys, you want the bees to visit your garden. It's a serious situation going on with these bees, y'all. You better keep your eyes open. Start growing your food, learn how to self-pollinate as well. Okay, you guys, so let's just jump right into this. This is going to be a little bit different from the way Miss Cheryl does hers. You know, she had the seed packets of zinnias. Now, what I'm using today, Dollar Tree Flower Rocket. And this is the zinnia mix. Now, they suggest you put the whole roll like that and bury it in soil. And I'm like, what about the seeds at the bottom of the roll? How long does it take them to get up? And if the whole roll is like that, isn't it going to be like super duper compact like that? But I tried it with the tomatoes, and the tomatoes, I got like 4 out of the whole roll that really survived. I mean, literally 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dissect this thing. Okay. We're going to get the seeds out and do it ourselves. So all we're using is our Flower Rocket Zinnia mix. I have my spray bottle with some water in it. My pre-made sterilized seed starting mix. And a regular old tin house pan, y'all. It wasn't used that much when we cooked in it, so I washed it out, bleached it out, cleaned it out real good, and we used what we got. Okay. Ain't nobody got no money. So let me just put the video on what we're actually talking about today, you guys. All right, I love you guys. You are the best. Here we go. So what I'm going to do first is try to find the zinnia seeds, and I'm hoping everything is being captured. Yep, it looks like. I'm out in the greenhouse today, you guys. It's beautiful outside. The wind is blowing just a little bit. Okay. So this is what the Flower Rocket looks like when you first get it out of the box. It's a roll, right? It's a roll, you guys. And it looks like this when you unroll it. It's about the length, halfway up my arm. Okay. So what I'm going to do is gently fold up the 2 green sides and rub them back and forth a little bit. Just rub them back and forth. And you can tell the seeds from the green growing medium because they look like seeds. Okay, you guys? So I'm just going to do that. Now, they say it's over 500 seeds, you guys. Over 500 seeds. We're going to see. Okay. So we're going to see. So just rubbing these together. Going to peel this back piece off. We're not using it, you all. And I think I see some seeds. They look like seeds. It look like it. Bury it down into this green stuff. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, quite sure you probably can't see these. They are so small. Very, very tiny, you guys. Very, very tiny. So what I'm going to do, shake some more out. And we're probably going to bury some of this green stuff in the soil. You know. Yep. So that's enough for the video, you guys. Now, we have our seed starting tray. We're just going to use our seed starting tray, you guys. I'm just going to do one to show you on video of how we're doing these flower rocket zinnias. So let's fill up our cells with our potting mix. Like that, you guys. Now remember, when you start your cells, you fill it up the first time, press down, press down, press down, press down. And I like to make sure I do all 4 corners. I don't super pack the middle, but I want all 4 corners to be sealed. Okay? Okay! And then, you see how much space it went down? So always pack a little bit, you guys, and then just go over with your regular. And you don't have to pack that. Okay? Just go back over with your regular. Now, what we're gonna do, ooh, you guys, this is very, 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 very tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. So what I'm gonna do is pour a little bit of this off so it's easier. And then I'll put the soil on it since we're using some of the greenery out of here. Now, you guys, these have some very, very teeny tiny seeds in there. So what I'm gonna do is put that piece of green just like that. Okay? Go in here, grab some more where I see the little, you can tell the seeds because they're a different color than the green. They're almost like a brownish type color. Okay? So this is how we're gonna do that. Because it's clearly you can't just pick out the seeds because they're so fine and mixed in with all the greenery. Okay? Okay? So we're just gonna do it like that. Alright, Miss Cheryl, we're gonna try this, okay? Okay! And why not just put a few extras? A few extra greenery in there. Yep. Can't hurt. And that way we know, at least we know we got some seeds in there, y'all. So pretty much I'm just going to do it just like this. Put a little bit of that greenery in there. And then I'm going to go back and cover. Just a little bit. I'm going to go back and cover. And just gently tap. Gently tap. Gently. Okay? And now, just going to take my water and moisten our top, because the soil is already moist, but we want to moisten it so our seedlings can germinate. All right. Can you see that, you guys? A little empty down there. Okay, there we go. Let's pack your soil down a little bit. Like that. Can you see, guys? Yep. And we want to send a special shout out and prayer to everyone affected in the Tennessee tornadoes, you guys. We are praying for you here in Richmond, Virginia. You guys, you have to be thankful for every day that we are blessed to see this earth and live on this earth. We're out here gardening, planting seeds, enjoying the growth and germination process. And there are people out here who are really going through it. I mean, going through it, you guys. These people have lost everything. Can you imagine from one day to the next, you have lost everything? Memories, photos, your everything that you have love for is gone. Oh, bless them, Lord. Touch them, Jesus, in the name. So, there you have it, you guys. Keep Tennessee in your prayers. These are our zinnia from out of our flower rocket box, and we separated them and put them into individual cells. Okay, I love you guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share the video if you like. Check out Miss Cheryl Talley Organic Food Force on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook. Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. I love you guys. You are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, you guys, and eat it. Just don't eat the zinnia. I don't think they're good for you. I love you guys. You are the best.